Questions? Yes, brother.
Assalamu alaikum. My name is Sarfaraz, and I have a non-Muslim friend who is wanted to genuinely accept Islam, but his family is opposing him. What should he do? Can I take him to mosque for the prayer? Please tell me what to do.
The brother has a question that he has a non-Muslim friend who likes Islam. He wants to accept Islam, but his family is opposing. What is the age of your friend? 22 years. Brother's friend is 22 years old. So one thing you should say that depending upon what opposition is receiving from the family, are they very hostile, or are they feeling sad, etc. Since he's an adult, he'll be responsible for his akhirah. His parents won't be responsible for his akhirah. And once he's an adult, he's responsible for his deeds. So, but naturally, he should accept the truth. But it's not necessary that if he feels that his life is in danger or there are problems, he may not tell his family members. He cannot accept Islam, practice in whatever way he can to the maximum ability, whether partly in hiding and partly openly, depending. And as time is right, then he should tell his parents. But he should see to it that he should not keep it hiding for long, till he feels that the time is right, where he can tell. Otherwise, there'll be problems. I don't know whether he's married or not. Once he wants to get married, then a parent would like to get a non-Muslim partner for him. So he should accept Islam. And once he realizes it is the right religion, we should not delay it. But naturally, he should do it willingly. Not that he should force him. Once he accepts willingly, see to it that he practices as much as he can of Islam. And when time is right, he should start doing dawah to the parents immediately. And when time is right, he should tell to his parents that this is the best way of life, and that's what he accepted. And he should ask his parents also to accept the same. Yes, why not? Once he becomes a Muslim, why not? Surely. Even if he's a non-Muslim, he can go to the mosque. But once he accepts Islam and he agrees about the principles of Islam, you can of course take him for prayer. Why not? There's no problem at all. Hope that answers the question.